Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here, and for today I don't have Indonesian recipe to share because I thought maybe I skip for a day because my husband got me some chocolates. So I'm gonna break my fast with chocolate, but I'm still gonna excuse me, I'm still gonna title this video as 30 Days of Indonesia, or I'm gonna decide. Whatever you see in the title, that's what I decide. Anyways, today's Hungarian recipe called Krumpli Fozelek. So it's like a soup, but also stew. It's a thicker side of soup. It is very simple to make because mainly it's just potatoes, cube potatoes, but it's really delicious, and you can serve it with side dishes like maybe gardein or fashir, which is fried meatballs, or whatever you like. Actually, we like serving it with uborka shalata, which is cucumber salad, Hungarian cucumber salad. But in the video I will just show you the main dish, which is the Krumpli Fozelek, the potato stew. I'll see you soon. Bye. So what I have here is about 5 large of potato that you cubed it. You cut it into cubes, and then we're gonna boil them. Just gonna put, obviously you skin them, and then you rinse them, and then you cube them, and then rinse again. Then we're gonna add enough water to cover it. You can of course use broth for richer flavor, like vegetable broth or beef broth, chicken broth, whichever broth, or just water like what I'm going to do today. I'm just gonna pour enough water. We're just gonna add enough water to cover it. Now we're gonna add half large onion and 4 garlic that you diced already. We're gonna boil it along, and 2 bay leaves. Couple of peppercorn, and you want to boil them until tender but not mushy. As it starts to boil, you will see scum. You don't have to skim it off because it's without meat or fat. Once potato is tender, add in 2 cubes of bouillon beef or bouillon chicken or bouillon vegetables, or you can even just use salt or vegeta powder or any seasoning powder that you have in your pantry. Now, when you think the seasoning is already perfect, your potato is tender, you want to thicken this stew. Usually the Hungarians will add flour and sour cream, but otherwise you can, if you don't have sour cream or you don't use sour cream, you can mix a 1/3 cup of flour with 1 tablespoon of sweet paprika powder and enough of milk, or not milk, or just water. Your potato stew basically done. You can serve it with meat, or you can serve it as is, with a side or sprinkle of cayenne pepper.